any optometrist from overseas, if they want to practice in Australia, they need to complete some steps. There's a four-step process in general. Once you pass the exam, both exams, then you will get registration. Then you just start looking a job only.
Hello everyone, welcome to Academically. I am your host Sunidhi Shahi, and today we have Dr. Akram Ahmed, the founder and CEO of Academically, with us. So we are going to talk about the top 10 questions people have about the OCAN COE exam for optometrists. So if you are an optometrist or just interested in the topic, this episode is for you. So before we start the session, I would also like to tell you all about the event that is going to happen very soon in India, that is with the name of MedConnect. So this is going to be MedConnect with Dr. Akram, and this is a fantastic opportunity to meet Dr. Akram in person, as the event will be held in 4 different cities in India, and you can check them out in the description below with all the links and all on our social media platforms. So to register for the MedConnect event and to meet Dr. Akram personally, please check out the description box for the registration form, and don't miss this chance to connect with Dr. Akram. So, sir, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you, Smriti.
Yes, sir. Sir, would you also like to first give us a very little, description about the MedConnect event?
Yes, so I'm very excited. Basically, right now I'm in India. We are recording our first podcast from India. So I'm here to, I can in person, you can meet me, and if you have doubt, you can ask, and you also have a chance to make, networking in your own field. So if you are a pharmacist, you will meet hundreds of other pharmacists. They are coming to join the same event. You can make friends with them, because they also need to work, want to work in our body. You also, similarly, आपको बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स भी मिल जाएंगे, जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, जो डाउट्स हैं, या कुछ भी है तो वो आप मुझसे डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं इन पर्सन आकर.
Thank you so much, sir. So now coming back to the topic, sir, OCAN COE exam for all the optometrists who want to register themselves in Australia and practice. So, sir, how can an optometrist become a registered optometrist in Australia?
So basically, any optometrist from overseas, if they want to practice in Australia, they need to complete some steps. Okay, there's a four-step process in general. The first step we can see document verification. So they will check your degree from which university you did, and degree transcript, and you must be registered optometrist in your home country. All those things, So if you did your bachelor degree, 4 year bachelor degree in optometry, or 3 years degree plus 1 year experience after your degree, and you are eligible to practice in Australia. So the first step we can say document verification. We will help you to complete this, so no need to worry about this. The step two, you need to write competency in optometry examination, COE exam basically, OCON जो conduct करता है. So this is not just for Australia. It is basically for both countries. If you want to practice in Australia or New Zealand, उन दोनों के लिए countries के लिए same process है. तो
Okay.
CE का एग्जाम पास करना हुआ, इट इज ऑनलाइन एग्जाम. यू कैन गिव दिस एग्जाम इन योर होम कंट्री. Academically will provide you the 4 month coaching for this exam. So at your home, अपने घर पे रह कर आप प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. Then you can pass the exam. Okay. Then step 3, you also need to pass English test like IELTS,
Okay.
OET or PT. Then you will need to pass the clinical exam going to be in Australia. Okay, and then you will get full registration, and then you can practice as optometrist in Australia.
Right. So this was going to be my next question, only that you have already explained that the steps of this whole process. And sir, how about the eligibility?
Eligibility, as I mentioned, that bachelor degree in
Yeah.
optometry, 4 year का degree होना चाहिए. Or if you have 3 years degree, in that case, 1 year experience mandatory work as an optometrist.
All right. And sir, how about the exam structure of the OCAN COE?
So OCON seriously the exam, it can be like a mix. They will ask you some question from MCQs, some question
Okay.
from SCQs. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे और एमसीक्यूज भी होंगे. तो 3 आवर का टाइम रहता है इन जनरल, एंड देयर विल बी 144 अराउंड एमसीक्यूज आएंगे. देन अगेन 3 आवर का टाइम रहेगा, उसमें एससीक्यूज आएंगे. तो academically पूरा आपको प्रिपरेशन कराता है in this exam call.
Right.
You don't need to worry about this, you know. And for more information, you can visit our website academically.com. वहाँ पर हमने एक blog बनाकर डाला हुआ है, so how you can prepare yourself about optometry as well.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So, sir, like, how can somebody prepare for the exam, and what is the right time to start the preparation?
So in general, you know, before you sit in the exam, you need to complete step one process, document verification, and
Okay.
it will take at least 2 months. Okay, so
Yeah.
whenever you want, you can basically start, you know, and it's yearly 2 times only the exam the conduct करता है जो है OCANS के लिए. So there's no कोई fixed time नहीं कि आपको कब करना है, because कभी कभी there is some time it may take more time in your step one verification, because they send the email to your university, और वहां से अगर ईमेल नहीं आई, रिप्लाई नहीं किया ऑन टाइम,
Yeah.
आपको पता ही है, एज यू नो, इंडियन सिस्टम में लोग ना इतना रिप्लाई नहीं करते, गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम वाले होते हैं, राइट. सो आपको एसेप का अपना काम करना है ताकि आपका ऑन टाइम काम हो जाए. अगर उन्होंने रिप्लाई कर दिया ऑन टाइम तो बहुत जल्दी काम हो जाएगा आपका. उन्होंने रिप्लाई नहीं किया, देन दे विल सेंड द रिमाइंडर, यू नो, देन उन्होंने रिप्लाई करेंगे ना, तो ऐसे थोड़ा स्लो हो जाता है प्रोसेस. बट इन
Right.
जनरल डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन आप कर लेंगे और एग्जाम विद इन 6 मंथ में आप लिख सकते हैं.
Okay, that's great, sir. So, sir, what will be an average annual salary of an optometrist in Australia?
In general, optometrist का जो salary is very good, I can say. तो at least 50 to 60, 70 lakh तक optometrist के हैं. तो around on an average 120,000, 100,000 के बीच में जो है ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर पर ईयर के हिसाब से सैलरी अर्न करते हैं optometrists in Australia. And there are so many optometry clinics is there, or hospitals is there, so you can work there.
Yeah. Okay. And if we talk about the application process, sir, so what is the application process for the OCAN CO exam?
So there is OCAN, you know, this is one of the body. So if you want to practice in Australia, in the both cases, you need to start your process. You need to make your own account. They will ask some questions like your personal question, your name, age, sex, and all those things, you know, and your qualification, from which university you graduate, you know, or if you have any experience, all those things you need to fill, and they will complete the process, you know. And we also academically will also assist you in this process. But in general, आपको एक अकाउंट बनाना है, उस अकाउंट को बनाने के बाद सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को अपना अपलोड कर देना है, and then OCAN will do the rest of the work.
All right. And sir, as we talk about the challenges that usually all the optometrist faces, that, if it is the exam for Australia, it must be very, very difficult because we have done our bachelor's in India or Pakistan or any other country, Nepal. So what would you like to recommend to those students or optometrists who are scared or who find challenges in, clearing the exam?
I don't think there is any challenge, because the syllabus, whatever you study in your undergrad in optometry, वहीं से ही सारे क्वेश्चंस आने हैं. बट प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि बच्चों को पता नहीं होती है, एक जगह रिसोर्सेज नहीं मिल पाते हैं, कोई मेंटोर नहीं होता है ना. इन दैट केस दे
Right.
विल फाइंड कि भाई बहुत ही एग्जाम टफ है या हम कर नहीं पाएंगे ना. बट ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज ए मीडियोकर एग्जाम. एनी ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट कैन पास द एग्जाम, स्पेशली जिसके पार्ट वन एग्जाम इतना टफ होता भी नहीं है, and we provide A to Z assistance. We will provide you live
Yeah.
classes, study material, mock question to the practice. So all those things, it makes your journey very easy.
Thank you, sir. So this is going to be my next question, that as academically, what resources does academically provide for the OCAN COE preparation? So I think you have already answered that A to Z process, be it live lectures, be it the recorded sessions, be it the sample questions, everything we cover.
Yes. Even we
Sir,
help also in the documentation after you pass the exam, how you can find a job. We will also assist you in your CV, cover letter writing, and what are the consultancy website for jobs. All those things also we provide the guidance for all the students.
Right. So, sir, what next after OCAN COE? Like, if I am an optometrist and I have cleared the OCAN COE exam, so what is the next process after this?
Once you pass the exam, both exams, then you will get registration. Then you just start looking job only. आपको जॉब ही ढूंढना है, एम्प्लॉयर आपको जॉब दे देगा. So they also can give you the work visa, or you can apply your PR visa permanently if you want to work in Australia, So ये simple सा process, आपको basically job ढूंढना है once you pass the exam.
Okay. And sir, is there also any internship required before or after giving the OCAN COE exam?
Yes, it can be, but not now. जैसे आपने पास कर लिया क्लिनिकल, तो फिर उसके बाद में वो लोग देखते हैं, वहाँ पर एक फार्माकोथेरेपी का इन जनरल सेपरेटली कोर्स भी करना पड़ता है, बट आपको जॉब लग जाएगा, देन इट इज ऑन गोइंग ट्रेनिंग है वहाँ वहाँ पर जाने के बाद.
And now also talking a little about the visa process, sir, that how can an optometrist avail a PR visa in Australia after clearing the
So
OCAN COE?
yes, there is so many visa available for optometrists. This is basically a long-term shortage occupations की लिस्ट में आते हैं, तो 189, 190, 491, इवन 186, ये सारे PR वीजा के लिए एलिजिबल होते हैं. लॉट ऑफ वीजाज अवेलेबल फॉर ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट अगर आपने ये कंप्लीट कर लिया प्रोसेस के लिए तो.
Okay. So, sir, also there have been like major three English proficiency tests like PTE, OET, IELTS. So, what would you recommend to the optometrist to take up the exam amongst these three?
Yes, so this is basically English. It's not just for optometrists, but this is required for all healthcare practitioners, whether you are a medical doctor, dentist, pharmacist, optometrist, सबको इंग्लिश का एग्जाम देना होता है. So in general, my recommendation, go for OET or PTE. ये easier exam होता है as compared to IELTS. So I know a lot of people are struggling to pass this IELTS, तो IELTS पे आप ना जाएं, PTE और OET पे जाएंगे तो आपको easy रहेगा to pass the exam.
So much, sir. I think you have cleared all our doubts and queries regarding the OCAN COE exam. So, just my last question, that any tips, any suggestions, any feedback to the students who are scared to come out of their comfort zone and move to a whole different new country, but they want to, like deep inside, they want to go, but they don't know the right path or the right guidance, like where to go, what to choose. So, anything that you would like to say to them?
Yeah, so first of all, if you want to do something in your life, I know you are struggling in your life in India, especially, very low paying salaries, you are, लोग यहाँ गालियाँ देते रहते हैं, लोग लिखते रहते हैं, कि ये ऑक्यूपेशन अच्छा नहीं है, या जॉब्स नहीं है, या सैलरीज इतना नहीं है यहाँ, ये है, वो. तो कंप्लेन करने से बेटर है कि आप कुछ अपना वक्त दें, कुछ अपना रिसर्च करें, तो विदेश में यू कैन वर्क, whether it is Australia or any other country, right? आप कहीं में जाएंगे इंडिया से बाहर तो आपको बाहर तो लगेगा. इवन इंडिया के अंदर ही आप अगर एक शिफ्ट या दूसरी शिफ्ट में आप काम करने जाते हैं तो वहां भी आपका कोई नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? तो ऐसे ही है, बट इतना वो नहीं है, सारे फिर फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं, जॉब इजीली मिल जाती है अगर आप पास कर लेते हो. तो जो आपका फियर है उसको आप हटाएं, अपना रिसर्च करें एंड राइट डायरेक्शन में अपना एनर्जी लगाएं, तो डेफिनेटली आपको जो सफलता मिलेगी. अदरवाइज आप जो है हमेशा निगेटिविटी से ये भरे रहेंगे, बोलते रहेंगे कि अभी ऑप्टोमेट्री में स्कोप नहीं है. बट आई कैन से ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वेरी गुड स्कोप है, तो यू मस्ट थिंक अबाउट ऑस्ट्रेलिया. और आप कहीं और भी जाना चाहते हैं तो आप डेफिनेटली आप एक्सप्लोर करें, थोड़ा रिसर्च करें, है ना, और एकेडमिकली हियर टू असिस्ट योर एंटायर जर्नी.
Thank you so much for all the guidance and all the tips that you have given to us in this podcast. And I'm sure that all of the optometrists who are watching us right now will get a lot of motivation from watching this podcast. And thank you so much, sir, once again.
Thank you, Smriti.